Hello everyone, I'm Zishansha and welcome to Premium Tutorial Z Interactive, and we are working on retro television right now in Substance Designer. So like other parts, we will create some small dents over the front panel as well, where we have these buttons, knobs and speaker, so that it will look old and there will be a little bit wear and tear over there. So I will add a blend node here and use the blending mode add, and then I will add a black and white spot one here, and what I will do here is I will connect it with the levels, and I will bring the black up so I can have more white spotches there which will act like dents, and I will scale it up. And after scaling it up, what I will do is that I'll try to figure out where it will sit. So first let's move it away and then add a basically let's see what we can add here to make it look much more finer. So let's add a let's see what we can add. Let's add a safe transform here first and dial it more, and then we'll figure out where we can put it. I will increase the tile amount here. Okay, I have double clicked the levels and single clicked on it so I can see how the level is going up. Okay, and then I will go back in the level and I will try to bring those spotches back. So I will play with these settings here. Now I'll connect it to the foreground, and you can see I have all these spotches everywhere, but I don't want it to be add, I want it to subtract it. So it will act like a subtraction, so it will create these dents over there, and I don't want it to be too harsh, so I will reduce the white amount here. Okay, a subtle effect I just needed. It's too harsh right now. So I will go in the manual input with the values. So I will use my own value. Like let's start with 0.04 and then we'll decide where we can go ahead. 0.01 or let's see 0.02 or 0.15. So I think 0.15 will will look more better here. And I'll play with the tiling more so I can have more effect. Okay. Now you will notice that a part that I created here is supposed to be metallic, so I don't want this effect there, so I will change it later on. But right now let's check which value suits more, and then later on I will decide where it should go and where it shouldn't go. So let's try different values, see which suits better. Okay, you're getting there. Kind of look fine right now. Okay, so this is the place where I don't want that dent to be. So I will take this opacity mask. Okay, and what I will do here, I will subtract it from the main opacity mask, which is this one. I will take this first, put it in the foreground. Take this one, not this one, sorry, this one. Oh, I'll press Alt here so that I can make a small connector so I can fix this. Now I will take this one, put it on top of it, on the foreground. So this is what I'm getting right now. So I will use subtract, and this is basically where I want the dents to be. So my opacity mask is created. So I will take this opacity mask, Alt, and click it here. So it will go inside, and you have all the dents only on the plastic area, and there is no dent on the metal. So metal is clean. We'll just add edge wear on the metal, not dents. So this looks fine. Let's see what else we can do here. Okay, so let's play with the tiling a little bit more. So we can have more blotches there, so which will make these dents even more smaller. More tile, more small dents. So think oops, should be 11. Let's I'll type 11 back there. Okay, 11 looks better. Instead of 12, I think 11 looks much more better. So I hope you have learned something from this lesson, and thanks a lot for becoming a member of my premium plan. And thanks a lot everyone for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos but not have subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications about the great new contents I will be uploading soon. If you have liked my video, so please hit the like button, and if you have any queries or questions, then leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them, especially the premium videos, because these are paid videos. I don't want them to get pirated. So please, if anyone is doing that and you find someone doing this, then please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all. Therefore, help me get new subscriber for me, please. It will help me a lot. So I will take off now, and take care, guys. Till we meet in the next class, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.